악몽과 함께 차가운 감옥 바닥에서 깨어나는 남자. 잠시 뒤 베이커가에선 한 남자가 주변을 살피며 문을 나섭니다.
I don't know why you're getting so agitated. I just said you have a rather large cranium.
Mr. Holmes.
Break it off! Is that you, brother dear?
Cheers, brother dear. Follow me, Sherlock.
감옥에 갇혀있던 남자는 다름 아닌 셜록 홈즈였죠.
What exactly landed you in prison this time?
Ah, so sorry, sir. A pickpocket by trade.
Why would you be returning the wallet with its contents intact?
It's the extraction that is the attraction. No. You could have got me out sooner.
형 마이크로프트는 셜록이 갈 곳을 마련해 두었다는데
Secured you a place at Oxford.
You have, brother dear.
I have, brother dear.
When do we go?
Imminently.
옥스포드로 향하는 길목. 두 사람은 어머니 코델리아가 머물고 있는 정신병원을 찾습니다.
Father wrote to me. He's in Vienna.
They're listening to me, are worrying all the time. And there's a man with a bird claw, and he's coming back for me.
셜록은 어머니 코델리아의 병세가 이전보다 훨씬 깊어졌음을 직감하고
No more trouble.
I won't lose you too.
곧이어 셜록은 입학의 설렘을 품은 채 옥스포드에 발을 내딛습니다.
This is yours, sir.
Mycroft.
Yes?
Why is the head porter proffering an apron?
You're a smart boy. Work it out.
I'm a scout. And a scout does.
Whatever I tell him to do.
그 무렵 강도들이 다가오는 마차 한 대를 날카롭게 주시하고 있었는데
Princess, I can assure you the honor is all mine. My government values our relationship with China very highly.
순식간에 호의를 무너뜨린 강도들이 마차를 탈취하더니
What would you up for long? I'm just here for the scrolls. What about her? She's a princess. Thinks a ransom.
You're coming with us, princess.
공주 슈아는 결국 강도들의 손에 붙들려 끌려가게 되는데 연약해 보이던 공주의 모습과 달리 무술고수였던 슈안.
Princess?
그 시각 셜록은 시종으로 열심히 자비를 하고 있었고
What are you doing with those?
Tidying, sir. I do apologize, Professor Thompson.
셜록을 내보낸 톰프슨 교수는 뭔가를 꺼내더니
This is for the Chinese princess, just arrived.
你要我帮你书写吗？
你这口音真是挺重啊！
以前我在 Whitechapel 给一个书写的耽误写读，他说敦煌来的。The shoemaker had a dependency.
Which explained your slurred delivery.
얼마 뒤 호지 총장은 장학생들을 소집해 화려한 만찬을 개최했습니다.
Enjoy your youth. Welcome.
셜록 또한 만찬에서 소리 없이 서빙을 하고 있었는데
You know this young man.
Yes, he does, sir. Very well, sir.
Yes, indeed, he is my brother.
So how did he end up serving you?
Prison.
So, tell me, young man, what was your crime?
Thieving. Theft. Petty theft. And permanently, there we are, reformed. Was a taker, now a giver.
다음 날 수학 강의를 훔쳐보던 셜록.
Homework. Find me all the solutions of this quintic.
학생들이 모두 나가자 셜록은 홀린 듯 칠판으로 다가가 분필을 쥐는데
We're having trouble finding the solutions. Don't worry about that. These solutions, they're not real. They're imaginary. That means even if you can't see the target, you can still shoot for it. So you're a mathematician now, porter, a waiter, a candlestick maker, and a kleptomaniac.
Thieving. Theft. Petty theft. And permanently, there we are, reformed. Was a taker, now a giver.
셜록을 꿰뚫어 본 그 학생의 이름은
James Moriarty.
Sherlock Holmes.
제임스는 셜록을 초대받지 않은 프라이빗 파티로 데려갑니다.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I see your invitations, please?
Please stand tight to the wall to keep the path clear for the other students.
This is marvelous. I won't be moved.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Leave this with me. Sorry. You have a dramatic split in the back of your jacket.
제임스는 자연스럽게 술도 훔치고
Excuse me, sir. You cannot take that.
Oh, but I can borrow it, and I shall return it to its cradle. Oh, Momo.
No. Look to this day, for it is life. You're the scout.
Indeed.
If I wish to socialize with a cleaner, I'd have a party The servants' quarter.
He might be a cleaner, but he's a very clever cleaner.
How did you get in here?
I invited him.
And who invited you?
No one.
Oh, such fun. At last we have characters at one of your parties, Peregrine. I have an idea. You outsmart the scout, and he'll leave without further protest.
You take a good long look at him, and you tell us what you can glean.
Very well. Show me your hand.
Interesting signet ring.
I notice an absence of any type of ring and no calluses. He's clearly not intimately acquainted with anything approaching hard labor. So not just a servant, but a lazy one too.
What you made was an observation, not a deduction. No calluses. So how does he find himself in this position? Well, I'd say he got into a spot of bother along the way. He got kicked out of schools, and then his father made him take this position to teach him a lesson.
Quiet.
Brother.
My turn. Your signet ring. The crest? Your ancestor was the Count of Boulogne.
Fought at the Battle of Hastings.
He was 5'2" and he had a face like a cow's udder, but he fought like a Titan. Now, as is consistent with custom, a man knows he must wear his signet ring facing inward to represent content, not outward to represent form. Tell me, which direction does your ring point?
That must hurt.
난장판이 된 파티장을 뒤로하고 질주하기 시작하는 두 사람. 쫓아오는 사람들을 피해 도서관으로 숨어든 두 사람은 슈안의 두루마리를 발견합니다.
The art of war.
Let's steal.
I don't think that's a very good idea.
다음 날 셜록을 찾아온 한 남자.
Tell me it wasn't you.
What wasn't me?
Last night, the library. You had keys. The scrolls have been stolen and you was the last one seen going in.
셜록은 곧바로 제임스를 찾아가고
I just think we did. He was just in here.
What did he say?
He took my scholarship. Yeah, so without that, I can't stay here.
Get dressed. Meet me in the library. Mycroft.
Stay out of trouble. One simple request.
Sherlock Holmes,
What is that?
I'm arresting you on suspicion of theft.
Yes, and I am Mycroft Holmes of Her Majesty's Foreign Office.
Constable Lestrade of Oxford City Police Force.
Surely this is more detective's work.
I thought we'd make initial inquiries.
I'm merely trying to prevent you professional embarrassment of being reprimanded by your chief officer, a stickler for due process.
Yes, sir.
I need you to get me into the library.
I thank you for keeping me updated, but I would like to see the crime scene for myself.
You've got 10 minutes. Don't embarrass me again.
A hole in the window. Wonder what that's for.
부서진 창문과 주변을 살펴본 홈즈는
There's a hook there. Who's missing his guest?
Think I've clocked the guest.
Mycroft, would you mind telling me why your brother, the prime suspect, is standing at the scene of the crime? Do you know each other?
Never seen him before, sir.
卷轴是你偷的？
他在书里，说是我翻窗户进来的。
难道不是吗？
我有约瑟，我的干嘛呀？The thief was here at 6 minutes past 10.
How can you possibly know that?
Because when he climbed down from the window, he knocked this off.
The clue's in the clock.
I can help you find your father's scrolls.
I represent the law. I will do the investigation.
And she didn't notice this, Constable. And they're my father's scrolls.
Perhaps we should give the princess a chance to conduct this investigation as she sees fit.
Thank you, Constable. We'll take it from here.
According to Lestrade, the thief scaled down the side of the building and into a boat.
Thief rode out from Camden College, then get out here with the scrolls. We have no idea where he went, sir.
Footprints?
Only one set of tracks. Only one thief.
Footprints in here.
Thief got into a carriage, and a drunk wheel would need to sober out. Hello, a coaching in.
So I need to return to my carriage.
Why?
The gala opening. Hodges' new science building. Thank you for your help.
슈안을 보내고 여관에 들어온 두 사람.
Is the wheelwright around? Might we have a word with him?
He's down at the village, but he'll be back shortly.
셜록과 제임스를 본 바이올린 연주자가 갑자기 밖으로 나갔는데
It is your round.
셜록이 남자를 뒤쫓아 밖으로 나오자
He has the scrolls.
그렇게 남자를 쫓아가던 중 갑자기 무엇인가 중요한 사실을 떠올리는 셜록.
He pulled his punch.
What is this place?
Welcome to my overactive imagination. Waiting for something. What's he waiting for?
He's waiting for me to come out.
Why wait for you to come out?
Why don't you ask him?
You can put them cannons down. I don't know whether I should split your Swede.
Why don't you ask my chum?
Oh, I think the Swede.
하지만
Ah, it's interesting. Not exactly brimming with scrolls.
I smell a rat.
What if he pulled his punch because he wanted to lure us away?
Well, then someone doesn't want us in Oxford.
Not even the same tube. What if they never left? What if the scrolls are still in the library?
그렇게 두루마리를 찾아 다시 도서관으로 돌아온 셜록과 제임스.
We've been looking for a something. when we should have been looking for someone. Walker, the porter who tidies the room. He suffers from chronic scrupulosity. He hasn't been here since the crime. Something or someone is not straight.
John Dunn.
흉상을 밀어서 쓰러뜨려 보자.
What if it was a diversion? The thief makes it seem as though the scrolls were stolen to ensure the library is sealed off as a crime scene. He then squirrels himself away in here and waits for all to be quiet and clear. Now, before the scrolls were stolen, this case sat atop a cabinet, which is now missing.
How does a cabinet disappear when the police are at the only door?
Through the walls.
비밀 통로를 발견한 두 사람은 그 길을 따라 쭉 안으로 들어가 봅니다.
Well, we found our cabinet. Shall we address the what? Oh dear. Well, we've only got 90 seconds according to that clock.
그때 벽 너머로 과학관 개관식 연설을 하는 호지 총장의 목소리가 들려왔죠.
88.
Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to charge your glasses.
Sorry to bother you, sir. A rather pressing issue.
I hope it is for your sake. What is it?
Above killing anyone within the blast radius, which I would assume is likely to be pretty much this whole room, sir. There's a bomb!
건물 내부에 있던 사람들이 모두 대피하던 그 순간 과학관은 날아가고 셜록과 제임스는 누명을 벗게 됐지만
We haven't solved anything. We don't know who planted the bomb or why.
And that is not our concern.
그때 슈안이 찾아옵니다.
I wanted to thank you, Sherlock.
Oh, well, don't mind me. I'm just an Ashkenazi side dish. Besides, I have a previous arrangement.
Friend, you must stay. You're the main course.
Romeo, Juliet, good night. Because I'm off to the pub.
How should I reward you?
Oh, no, that's not necessary.
At least let me top you up.
Thank you.
Your companion, James Moriarty, is quite brilliant, but not as brilliant as you. Here's to your extraordinary future. You missed a bit. Why don't you sit down over there and I'll clean you up? I insist.
슈안의 부드러운 손길이 닿는 순간 셜록은 갑자기 잠에 빠져들고 맙니다.
Your fault.
That's him. Get him on his feet, lads.
I'm arresting you for the murder of Professor Charles Thompson. Take him away.
Hey, Sherlock! Sherlock, step aside!
Hey, where are you taking?
None of your business!
Yes, it is us charged.
The murder of Professor Thompson!
결국 살인 누명을 쓴 채 경찰에 연행되는 셜록.
I know all about your mother, Mr. Holmes. Such afflictions run in the family. You're...
Talk to the princess. She'll corroborate my story.
Princess?
Yes. We...
You what?
I don't remember.
마이크로프트는 셜록을 구하기 위해 호지를 찾아가지만
My brother is not responsible for the crime.
Why are you in Oxford, Mr. Holmes?
To assist you.
Precisely. Keeping your brother locked up suits my purposes.
Thank you for your time, sir.
게다가 제임스 또한
You think you're getting it back, don't you? Scholarship. Perhaps you should find a calling better suited to your standing. I want you out of your room at once.
James!
What?
Well, I need to know what he's told the police.
Well, I can't help you.
학교에서 쫓겨난 제임스는 웬 극장으로 향합니다. 그 시각 갇혀있는 셜록을 찾아간 마이크로프트.
It seems as though there are
Stay out of it. Leave it with me. Keeping your brother locked up suits my purposes.
other forces at work.
The police need to talk to Shuan.
The princess.
I was with her. It's the last thing I remember.
Apparently he's claiming he was with you last night.
I'm afraid that is not true.
More tea? Let me fetch someone. Edie, if you'd be so kind.
Of course, I've taken up enough of your time.
Princess.
슈안이 나가자
Take a telegram to Sir Sidney Blewett, Minister for War. Storm clouds threaten. I fear our work here is no longer covert.
한편 감옥에 있는 셜록.
Put this behind me, please, prisoner. Off you go.
제임스는 셜록에게 한요 복장을 입혀 탈출을 시도합니다.
You're going down the chute. Keep covered. I'll see you at 5.
셜록을 먼저 내려보내고 제임스가 나가려던 그때
Excuse me, young lady.
수상한 낌새를 느낀 교도관이 그를 붙잡는데 순식간에 교도관들을 제압한 두 사람은 세탁물 마차 속으로 몸을 던졌고 극장에 도착해 그날 일을 되짚어 보는데
She did have her back to me as she poured the drinks.
Your companion, James Moriarty, is quite brilliant.
So she slipped something in your drink?
That would explain why I can't remember anything. She stole the scrolls to ensure the library was locked down, giving her time to plant the bomb.
If she was trying to kill the professor, why would you go to the trouble of building a bomb?
Let's ask her. I would love to see her again.
극장은 변장하기에 최적의 장소였죠. 한편 슈아는 사람들의 눈을 피해 은밀하게 성당으로 향합니다.
Is he going to be a problem for us?
I can control him.
I don't want to doubt you. Find Professor Roberts, or it will be our blood that is spilled.
그러고는 쪽지 하나를 꺼내는 슈안.
Forgive me.
Let me fetch someone.
단서를 쫓아 로버츠 교수의 거처로 향하지만 주인 없는 방 안에는 서둘러 짐을 싼 흔적이 그녀를 맞이했습니다.
You take the room, I'll take the stairs.
경찰로 위장한 두 사람이 슈안의 방을 뒤져보려는데
Well, I'll stop you there, chaps. Save you a job. Nothing up there. I suggest you take a look at the north stairs. I'll check the south. Off you go.
Are you going to make me come and find you? Did you find anything incriminating, officer?
Sadly, my search hasn't been as productive as I would have hoped. However, shockingly, I am curious as to why I'm being set up for murder.
You're implying in some way that I am guilty.
Yes, I think I am.
If I were to scream and they came in here, whose side would they take?
And yet you haven't screamed, have you, Princess? Maybe there's a reason you don't want anyone snooping around in here.
That is a shame.
Wait, Jane. Conjure.
셜록은 경찰들이 들이닥치기 직전 잽싸게 몸을 피했고
Shuan was desperate for me not to see something. What? A burnt piece of paper in the grate. Something silver, embossed writing. L and R?
No, I have seen those letters.
Porter's Lodge.
The photographs on the wall. It's L and K.
Lord and Kingsley, the Oxford photographers. Lord and Kingsley, they have a shop on the high street.
한편 마이크로프트는 경찰들과 함께 코델리아가 있는 정신병원으로 향하는데
Has he been here?
Sherlock, what's happened?
Nothing. I just wondered if he'd been to visit us.
The man with the bird's claw who came after me.
Oh, please, Mother.
Now he's after Sherlock. He's hunting.
Shh. He's settling in, making friends.
Now I know you're lying. Sherlock never made any friends.
She hasn't seen him. My brother is innocent, detective.
The chase continues.
그 무렵 셜록과 제임스는 사진관에 도착합니다.
We would like to order a copy of a photograph I believe you have already taken. It's number 1215.
I don't seem to have a plate of that one.
Would you at least be able to tell us who you made copies for?
One moment, gentlemen. Let me check my other ledgers.
Would I be correct in saying this works on a gelatin dry plate to produce a shorter exposure?
셜록이 카메라의 성능과 구조에 대해 물어보며 사진사의 주의를 끄는 동안 제임스는 은밀하게 가게 정보를 훑어보기 시작합니다.
Tomorrow to pick up the photograph.
2 copies made. Shuan burned one. The other one went to the Master's Lodge at Candlin.
Sorry to disturb you. We're checking all the college premises for this fugitive Sherlock Holmes.
경찰로 변장해 학장 관저로 들어간 제임스는 그곳에서 사진을 발견하는데
Why would she not want anyone seeing this?
That's Professor Thompson, your supposed victim.
Who are the other three?
시종으로 일하던 기억을 더듬어 보던 셜록은
Professor Roberts. That was his name. That's Professor Enright. And that is Professor Malik.
So what links all four of them?
The gala opening. They were all on the same table. The table nearest the front, nearest the podium, nearest the bomb.
So this bomb was designed to kill them all.
That's why she didn't want us seeing this.
But then the crux of the thing is, why does she want them dead in the first place?
I need to speak with Professor Roberts.
I'm afraid he's not in college at present.
Would you be so kind as to give this to him?
Of course, Your Highness. Lad.
Thank you, Smudger.
My pleasure, Your Highness.
슈아는 우편 심부름꾼을 따라 몰래 마차에 오르고
Professor
제임스가 사진 속 교수들에게 경고하기 위해 직접 찾아가 보았지만 그들은 이미 약속이라도 한 듯 모두 부재 중이었고 그 무렵 슈아는 남자로 변장하고 있었는데
Can't give out private information. Check the rooms. Bones will be broken. Blood will be spilled here today. Now, on your bike. I'm busy.
It's no use. I couldn't kick anything out of him.
Excuse me. Do you really think they're in danger?
Is there something you'd like to share?
Who is it?
Chef Cobbs, grocery delivery.
Rather late, aren't you, boy?
심부름꾼의 안내로 로버츠 교수의 거처를 찾아낸 셜록과 제임스는 정적이 감도는 집 안으로 조심스럽게 발을 들이지만 이미 그는 독살당한 뒤였죠.
I'm a wanted man. You should go to the police.
She's thrown down this challenge to you, Sherlock, not to them. There are 2 professors out there still alive.
The game's afoot.
6개월 전 중국. 자신이 살던 마을에 돌아온 슈아는 참혹한 장면을 목격합니다. 가족들과 이웃들은 모두 죽어 있었고 모든 사건의 배우가 영국 군인들과 학자들이란 걸 알게 되죠. 한편 그녀는 이미 3번째 타겟인 엘라이트 교수 집 앞에 와 있었는데
We're not the only ones looking for Professor Enright. I believe a professional window cleaner would probably be cleaning the windows.
Oh, the policeman over there to your right. He looks deeply enthralled in yesterday's newspaper.
My God, it's him! It's that funny-looking murderer, Sherlock Holmes!
경찰들이 도망치는 남자를 쫓아 멀어지는 사이 두 사람은 엘라이크 교수의 집 앞으로 향합니다.
And what's the connection?
Their work? The impact of sudden precipitation and mineral extraction in the Gansu corridor, which is where Hodge made his fortune, in gold mining.
Maybe they're all developing new mining methods for Hodge.
그때 책상 위에 놓인 수많은 잔들이 두 사람의 눈길을 사로잡는데
The varying levels of liquids, I'm sure that means something.
I know this girl, Prudence Hamilton. She's a student in natural sciences.
It's not bloody Holmes. He tricked us.
The house? Still, she might be able to tell us where he's gone.
Do you know where we could find her?
Yes, I think I do.
제임스가 경찰들에게 등잔을 던져 혼란을 일으킨 틈을 타 두 사람은 재빨리 현장에서 도주합니다. 그 시각 외무성에 나타난 호지 총장을 발견한 마이크로프트.
Who is killing our scientists? Where are the other 2? Professor Malik and Professor Enright.
Professor Malik is in protective custody, safe and sound. Professor Enright has gone into hiding.
You, sir, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing, sir.
Holmes!
You're spying on me.
What?
Oh. You'd be ill-advised to lie to me, young man.
You told me that you kept my brother in prison because it suited your purposes. I thought that perhaps if I knew what those purposes were, I'd be in a better position to help him.
It means you're no longer suited to the post. I shall be reassigning you to something more befitting your character.
어둠이 깔린 저녁, 두 사람은 엘라이크 교수의 책상에서 발견한 의문의 여학생을 찾아가기로 합니다.
So I hear you're with Enright.
We share a passion project, James. We're conducting experiments studying how sound travels through the air at night when it's quietest.
What a waste.
You use the bell towers for your experiments.
Sherlock Holmes. Oh, Christ! Sherlock Holmes! You went that way!
Bell towers.
Prudence Hamilton said they were studying the way sound travels. Different volume of liquid in each glass a different note, each note a different bell. How many bell towers are there in Oxford?
13 glasses.
It's a map.
And if you're a terrified man on the run, where do you run to?
The highest?
The one that offers you the best vantage point to see your enemies approaching. St. Dunstan's.
셜록과 제임스는 가장 높은 종탑을 찾아갑니다.
Professor?
Who are you?
My name is Sherlock Holmes. Wait. How did you find him?
You found him for me.
Sherlock, we need to go.
She's bested you.
This isn't a game, James.
Everything is a game, Sherlock. Everything comes down to who wins and who loses.
씁쓸하게 슈안의 장갑을 살펴보던 셜록은
Enright dead. You realize this puts me in a rather difficult position.
The Foreign Secretary's insisting on coming to Oxford tomorrow.
두 사람은 곧장 슈안이 장갑을 구입한 맞춤 양복점으로 향하는데
I saw a rather charming young lady drop this in the street. It is from here, I believe. I wonder, would you be so kind as to check the order book for the name?
I don't have a name or address on file. The lady paid in cash, came in for a fitting 2 weeks ago.
No, that can't be right.
There's a note on our receipts. It's here in black and white.
그 시각 슈안을 찾아온 정체 모를 남자.
It's time for you to return home. Your ticket to London.
One more remains, Professor Malik.
He's not to be touched. Is that understood?
Why the change?
It has been decided.
You used me.
Go home while you still can. To the station.
Very good, sir.
Turn right up ahead, please.
하지만 발길을 돌린 슈안은 어디론가 전보를 보냅니다. 그날 저녁 마이크로프트를 찾아간 셜록과 제임스.
It belonged to Xuan. It slipped off when she pushed Professor Enright from a bell tower.
She's the one killing the professors.
Why would she? We don't know.
We don't know yet.
What we do know is that she arrived in Oxford 1 week ago. I remember because I was the one who lugged her trunk to her room.
So?
How could she have been at Fletcher Arnold 2 weeks ago being fitted for a bespoke glove? Hence my question, when exactly did the princess first arrive in England?
We should speak to Ezra Hornsby. He accompanied the princess from Dover. You will know when she arrived.
세 사람은 곧바로 슈안을 수행한 에즈라를 찾아가고
We need to know the exact date that she arrived.
Is this about the bandits?
Bandits.
What bandits?
I beg your pardon.
The ones that attacked us on the road.
It was here where they attacked us. Truly terrifying.
Wait! They shot who?
Mr. Chen.
Who was Mr. Chen?
The princess's chaperone.
Did anyone else accompany her from China?
No.
Apart from you.
And these men were no ordinary bandits, no. They were much worse. Why else shoot an innocent man for no reason?
Unless there was a reason.
What happened next?
She's a princess. I think it's a ransom.
You're coming with us, Princess.
How long was she gone?
10 minutes. Before I had the chance to rescue Her Highness, she came back alone with the scrolls.
They killed her chaperone.
An unarmed man.
He's the only person to accompany the princess from China.
Therefore, the only person who could identify her.
I was in a carriage with her for 3 hours. I think I could identify her.
Yes, but your spectacles have been destroyed.
If I may. How many fingers is he holding up?
3? No, 2. Oh, dear Lord.
How can you be sure the woman who left the carriage was the same woman who returned?
Maybe the woman who returned wasn't the princess.
This wasn't a robbery. This was a switch.
The old switcheroo.
The woman who returned to the carriage.
Whom you took to Oxford.
Wasn't, in fact, the real princess.
I heard what you did. Very brave of you taking on the British.
Who are you?
My name is Asad Kashgarli. I'm from Constantinople. The man responsible for this. His name is Professor Malik. He's not working alone. There are others working with him. I can help you find them.
我一接到你的电报，就赶第一趟火车来了。
전보를 받고 온 건 슈안의 고향 친구였고
他让我留Malik一条狗命。
他乃主事之人，害死了我们半个村的乡民。
艾森没说实话，
为何如此？
你来帮我。
모든 걸 알아낸 셜록 일행은 곧바로 외무장관과 함께 있는 호지를 찾아갑니다.
Who is this?
I work for you, sir.
Worked.
But I do know who is killing your scientists.
He stays.
That is a photograph of the real Princess Xuan. The woman that we have known as Xuan has been posing as the princess in order to gain access to the college, to get close to the professors, and to kill them.
Why?
We don't know, sir. Yet.
Not you.
Another Holmes who figured out that the princess was an imposter. My brother, Sherlock.
But how can we be sure that this supposed imposter is indeed the assassin?
Capture her, sir.
And how do you propose we do that?
With bait.
Then straight towards an hall with Professor Malik.
셜록은 이 사건의 마지막 열쇠인 말리크 교수를 경찰의 삼엄한 경비가 펼쳐진 안전가옥으로 데려갑니다.
You denied me.
The win.
Oh no, I let you have the win. You denied that you knew me to Hodge in the library.
Do you know each other?
Never seen him before, sir.
When I seem to remember that we met the night before at the party, and I think we had a rather lovely little time.
Did you have me confuse business with pleasure, Mr. Moriarty?
밤이 점점 깊어지기 시작하자 셜록은 슈안을 기다리는데
Are you so sure she'll show?
Because her job's not finished.
Otherwise, I'm out of a job, and you're going back to prison.
I think you're right. I think she'll show. You seem to have a strong instinct for seeking out the truth.
I could have killed you. Well, if you were a better shot, you bloody would have, sir.
그때 바깥에서 총소리가 들리기 시작하고
Well, gentlemen, time to bag our quarry.
말리크 교수를 남겨두고 총소리를 쫓아나가는데 하지만 바로 그때 모두가 총소리에 정신이 팔린 그때 말리크 교수에게 향하는 슈안.
About 6 feet.
Using a decoy to draw the guards away. She's in here! Why are you doing this?
The bird's claw.
They're listening to me, are whirring all the time. And there's a man with a bird claw, and he's coming back for me.
They're my mother's words. How do you know my mother's words?
가짜 슈안은 얼마 못 가 잡혔지만
She knew.
Might need to expand on that.
She knew my mother's words. Near Chippinghurst. Mother, stand back from the door.
Sherlock, you're in trouble, darling.
셜록은 아무도 들어오지 못하게 문을 막고는
The man with the bird's claw. Did you say those words to anyone else?
No, the whirring, always the whirring.
코델리아가 가리킨 곳의 소리를 들어보자
Can you hear it now?
I do. I hear it.
벽을 부숴버리고 그 안을 살펴보는 셜록. 벽 너머에는 죽음기가 숨겨져 있었죠.
Time to leave.
죽음기 쪽에 숨겨진 비밀 통로를 통해 코델리아를 데리고 나가자 병실 바깥으로 연결되는 통로가 있었고
See how you like it.
무사히 코델리아를 데리고 정신병원을 탈출하는 셜록. 한편 호지 총장은 가짜 슈안을 신속하게 처리하려 합니다.
Are you killing my scientist?
Handler! I work through a handler.
Who he works for?
Not my place to ask.
Then you're of no further use to me. In one.
What the hell are you doing?
This woman is trying to destroy me, and I will have my satisfaction.
We don't torture prisoners, sir. You're out of favor with the Foreign Secretary, are you not? On such a delicate matter as this.
그 말을 들은 호지는 자리를 뜨고
Loosen the ropes.
그 무렵 셜록은 어머니와 함께 가문의 저택으로 돌아옵니다. 저택에선 제임스가 기다리고 있었죠.
Oh, no, mother. This is James Moriarty. He's a friend of mine.
Darling, Sherlock never had any friends.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, Mrs. Holmes.
하지만 저택에 돌아오자 코델리아의 정신병 증세가 심해지는데
Beatrice!
Perhaps we should sit down for a moment, mother.
셜록과 제임스가 방을 정리하는 사이 갑자기 사라져버린 코델리아.
Mother!
코델리아는 딸 비어트리스가 싸늘한 죽음으로 발견되었던 강가로 발걸음을 옮기고 있었죠.
Darling, I have to find her! I need to save her!
Right, let's get you warm and dry. Stop right there. You are not taking her.
Master Holmes.
Crowell.
Mrs. Holmes.
Mr. Crowell, it's so delightful to see you. How is Mrs. Crowell?
Oh, she's well, thank you.
Dr. Maltby still live in the village?
마을 의사인 몰트비에게 약을 처방받아 복용한 후 코델리아의 불안 증세는 안정을 되찾기 시작했고 셜록과 제임스는 세 발톱을 가진 남자가 누구일지 추리해봅니다.
Well, then maybe it's not a person. Bird's claw. It's a phrase or a place or a thing.
Perhaps it's some sort of crest. The bird's claw.
Someone at the asylum.
Or someone at Oxford. I've got nothing.
The answers to many of life's problems lie at the bottom of a glass.
그때 셜록의 눈에 보이는 무언가.
It's Professor Malley.
Yes.
And his cane
Yes.
has a bird's claw. What's his business with my mother? What's his why? What's his incentive?
So perhaps she can answer that. So perhaps you need to ask her.
두 사람은 곧바로 마이크로프트를 찾아갑니다.
Where is Professor Malik now?
Well, we are not exactly sure. He seems to have vanished after last night's events.
If Shuan is in a cell, if the threat is gone, then why would he vanish?
Yeah.
10 minutes with Shuan.
I wondered when you and I would be seeing each other again.
What game are we playing today?
How did you know what she said to me in the asylum?
The likeliest explanation is always the simplest.
The likeliest explanation would be that you heard her say it. The recordings. You had access to them.
Oh, lightning fast. There's a place where I met my handler. A safe house. There's a man with a bird claw. He's coming back.
Do you think it's possible Malik is still there?
You want Malik? I want him too.
Where is this safe house? I very much doubt Hodge is going to let you out of here until you do.
Professor Malik works for me. Why on earth would he be at this?
I didn't see him at the gala. When I came through the wall at the gala, I didn't see him. All of the other professors were there at the table except him.
He left. We may live to regret it. I thought it odd at the time. Why would anyone leave my speech?
Were you given an exact time to carry out the explosion?
8 o'clock. My instructions were quite explicit on that point.
Let's go, Constable.
그렇게 일행은 안전가옥 근처에 자리를 잡았고 셜록과 가짜 슈안이 앞장서서 조심스럽게 안으로 들어가기로 합니다.
Come on! Malik.
그곳에 붙잡혀 있던 사람은 진짜 슈안이었고
This is where I saw Professor Malik listening.
Your mother. All of her recordings.
Just did you by any chance happen to see this man? The meaning of loyal?
Yes.
Only yesterday they talked of visiting him.
Did they say where?
At Abdon. Behind the locks.
셜록은 제임스와 함께 녹음 기록들을 살펴봅니다.
This is a record of her visitors. Myself, my brother, my father. There's a Lawson Jaggers, a lawyer.
When did Jaggers last visit?
Friday, August 11th, 10 o'clock.
Sherlock, that page has been torn out of the transcriptions.
그날의 녹음본을 틀어보는데
Mr. Jaggers here to see you. Charming to see you again. Now, perhaps we might continue with our previous matter of business.
It's been scrapped. Someone must have been rather keen to make sure we don't find out what's on there.
Sherlock, what's all this? We have a lead on the potential whereabouts of Professor Malik.
Oh, you find Professor Malik. Right. And we will pay a visit to this Lawson Jaggers fellow and see what business he's had with our mother.
Wait, who's...
Where is she? Damn you, Holmes. If she's escaped, you'll be held personally responsible.
How could she have possibly slipped?
Wait.
O'Shea, consider yourself my hunting hound.
Don't bring her back.
미세하게 일렁이는 불꽃, 셜록은 냉기가 새어나오는 틈을 향해 발을 뗍니다.
This is why she brought us there.
Stop right there.
그 시각 마이크로프트는 호지와 함께 슈안 공주가 남긴 유일한 단서인 앱던의 실체를 쫓고 있었죠.
Might I ask exactly what the princess said, sir?
She said they were meeting Professor Malik at Abdon, behind the locks.
They're ancient Catholic martyrs. There's a ruined medieval abbey not far from Oxford. It was once dedicated to them.
Behind the locks?
An odd relic believed to have been kept at the abbey.
Where is this ruined abbey?
There, sir.
그 무렵 셜록과 제임스는 로슨 변호사의 사무실을 찾아갑니다.
Smells interesting.
문을 부순 두 사람이 안으로 들어갔을 땐
Oh dear Lord.
Mr. Lawson Jaggers, Esquire. Sign of a struggle. Diaries. I tell you what business he had with your mother.
I am going to report this.
To the police.
Yes.
밖으로 나가려던 셜록의 발에 밟힌 무언가. 곧장 경찰서로 달려간 두 사람은 로슨 변호사의 죽음을 즉각 알렸고
We have a wire for you.
정신병원에서 코델리아를 강제로 데리러 온 것인데
requires help. I believe you'll find I have jurisdiction over her.
그 순간 사건 한정을 들고 나온 크롤 부인.
Let her go.
Thank you. You knew, didn't you? You knew about the recordings about Professor Malik. Why did he do it?
You'll have to ask him. I was merely paid to look the other way.
같은 시각 마이크로프트와 호지 총장은 말리크 교수의 행방을 쫓아 수도원에 도착합니다.
I think I saw movement by the church, sir.
I wish to be the one to apprehend him.
호지는 홀로 수도원 뒤편으로 향하는데
My very own personal Judas.
There is nothing that can't be sacrificed in the pursuit of science.
You were going to sell my project to the highest bidder.
As if you stand for anything else. I did not betray you, sir, for money. I betrayed you because what I discovered could change the world entirely.
I mean, if you'd be so accommodating, who did you betray me for?
총성을 쫓아 마이크로프트와 경찰들이 현장을 덮쳤을 땐
There's no blood. He's not breathing.
어머니가 이 거대한 음모에 엮인 이유, 셜록의 머릿속은 그 지독한 의문을 놓지 못했습니다.
The likeliest explanation is always to simple. He's coming back.
Previous matter of business. I was merely paid to look the other way.
바로 그 순간
Sherlock, I heard you had a spot of bother.
셜록의 아버지 사일러스가 모습을 드러냅니다. 한편 비어트리스가 사라진 그날 밤 관리인이 시신을 발견해 저택으로 돌아왔었죠. 모든 진실을 목도한 셜록은 자신이 동생과 놀아주지 않아 동생이 죽었다는 오랜 자책에 짓눌려 있었고, 집으로 돌아온 사일러스는 평소와 다름없이 가족들과 인사를 나눕니다.
Dr. Maltby has changed my medication, and I feel less foggy.
Who are you? Who's he? Sorry, Father, this is...
James Moriarty.
This is Sherlock's friend.
오랜만에 마주 앉은 저녁 식사 자리. 세계를 돌며 연구에 매진하던 사일러스는 이제 연구를 그만두겠다고 선언합니다.
I'm staying here to look after you.
하지만 아버지가 돌아온 뒤부터 셜록의 눈앞에 불길한 환영이 보이기 시작하는데,
Darling,
Sorry.
where's Mycroft?
Well, he's in Oxford.
He should be with us.
You're quite right. I'll wire for him first thing tomorrow.
잠시 후 셜록은 그간 추적해온 음모와 사건의 모든 전말을 아버지에게 털어놓았습니다.
We're going to solve this together.
I say I'd like that very much.
Oh, you couldn't fetch another bottle, could you?
Of course.
술을 가져오던 셜록의 날카로운 시야에 포착된 무언가. 코트 단추는 죽은 변호사 사무실에서 발견한 것과 같았는데, 게다가 사일러스 코트의 두 번째 단추가 떨어져 나가 있었죠.
Good lad. Good lad. Now, I've been considering a teaching post. Looks like you've taken a turn.
I've had a rather long day. I think I will say goodnight.
방으로 돌아온 셜록은 자신이 본 것들을 제임스에게 전하기 시작합니다.
Maybe the explanation's in here. Just flicking through these. The diaries of Mr. Lawson Jaggers, Esquire, kept a record of everything he bought.
What do you want? I'm shattered, James. Do forgive me. I'm turning in.
하지만 너무 선명한 비어트리스의 환영과 환청에 셜록은 잠을 이루지 못하는데, 셜록을 옥죄는 죄책감은 이성의 임계점을 넘어서고 있었습니다.
Sherlock, my dear boy. How did you sleep?
Rather fitfully, if I'm honest with you, Father.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Have you seen James?
Left first thing.
I was wondering, would Mrs. Turner be at home? You might tell her that I come on the business of Lawson Jaggers.
I was wondering why I hadn't heard from him of late.
For he himself is otherwise occupied.
Well, let the man in novels.
I'm off to the asylum. Give that bastard director a piece of my mind.
Perhaps I'll come with you.
Stay here with your mother.
잠시 후 돌아온 제임스는 변호사의 일기장에 명시된 의뢰인들을 모두 만나고 왔다는데,
The Married Women's Property Act.
Because this act allows married women to own their own property for the very first time.
Revolutionary.
To regain financial independence from their husbands as newly provided by this act.
As this is, I struggle to see the connection between this and my father.
Your mother was a woman of wealth before she met your father.
You are getting this wrong.
Humour me, what do we know for certain? We know that your mother met with Jaggers and we know that they discussed business. So he pays the asylum director to have them recorded. Now these recordings are discovered and Jaggers has become a liability, so he needs to be silenced.
And so my father has Lawson Jaggers killed.
Well, it would explain the button ripped off in the street.
하지만 셜록은 그가 살인자라는 사실만큼은 끝내 부정하고 싶었습니다.
If you really want to solve this beyond any reasonable doubt, I suggest we take a look at your father's financial records.
I know why you're doing this. You are doing this because you have no family of your own, so you seek to destroy mine.
You know nothing about my family, and you're losing your mind. But I'll forgive you because that clearly runs in your blood.
Well, listen, I brought you here because I have news. It turns out you weren't the only one Professor Mallet was recording, all part of some supposedly scientific research which that dreadful director of the asylum was paid handsomely for.
How does Jaggers fit into the equation?
Malek's lawyer provided legal cover for the whole infernal project. They would discover that he was facing scandal and ruin. Well, I'm so sorry.
Silas, you couldn't possibly have known what was going on in there.
I will see him ruined.
그러나 부정하려 할수록 아버지를 향한 의구심은 지독하게 셜록을 파고들었습니다. 셜록은 의혹의 실체를 확인하기 위해 곧장 제임스의 뒤를 쫓았죠.
I, Sherlock Holmes, sincerely apologize to you, James Moriarty.
Oh, well done.
I do have a thought as to how we might gain access to my father's financial records.
제임스와 함께 돌아온 셜록은 사일러스의 서재에서 실마리를 찾기 시작합니다.
Found it. What's he doing in my study?
The Kaiseri Hind. Yes, the monograph you wrote on butterflies. I was telling James about it. He's rather interested.
Nothing would give me greater pleasure. It's somewhere here. Bound for great things.
평온한 목소리로 셜록에게 함께 차를 끓이자고 제안하는 사일러스. 열쇠를 넘겨받은 제임스는 몰래 사일러스의 금고를 열어봅니다.
Chase it down with that.
Did you wire Mycroft?
Yeah, I have been rather preoccupied, but you're right. I'll do it right away. Where's my wallet?
My love, it's in your study.
Shan't be long. I can only imagine it's a strain for you being back here.
Yes. Memories in every corner. The happy and the unwelcome.
Thank you. Sherlock, it wasn't my idea to send your mother away after your sister.
You failed her.
It was her idea. Thought it would help her recover.
Your father had several business interests. In fact, he's doing quite well. There was a time when he was not doing quite so well.
4 of his companies declared bankrupt in the space of a single year, 1858.
And then, the following year, he had quite a drastic improvement in his fortunes.
1859. The year my sister died.
This is the deed to this house. It was put into a trust by your grandfather for you and for Mycroft. It was administered by your mother until 12 years ago when your father took power of attorney over her.
Because my mother was committed to the asylum.
Sorry, Sherlock.
Either my father took advantage of circumstance,
or what happened that day wasn't an accident.
Mother,
Yes?
I need to talk to you about that day.
두 사람은 잊혔던 그날의 기억들을 하나둘 되짚어 보기로 합니다.
Come on, Sherlock, come play with me. In a minute.
It wasn't your fault, my love.
What happened next?
She went to talk to your father.
Daddy, Sherlock won't play with me.
What's he saying? Mother, what did father say to Beatrice?
I don't know, darling. You'd have to ask him.
Maybe you were right. Maybe this wasn't an accident. My father said something to Beatrice to make her go into the woods, but he stayed by the river the entire time.
So someone else was involved. Well then, Sherlock, who found the body?
The groundskeeper.
Where does he live?
In the village.
두 사람은 곧장 관리인의 집으로 향합니다.
We're looking for Nathan Burford.
이미 고인이 된 관리인을 대신해 그의 딸이 두 사람을 반기는데
Well, haven't you grown up? Me and your sister used to play Squeak, Piggy, Squeak.
I am learning so much about you, Sherlock.
Your family were always really good to us. I forgave him his whole debt.
He cleared your father's entire debt.
When did this happen?
A couple of months after your poor sister passed.
It's not conclusive.
All right. What do you need, Sherlock?
I'm afraid there's nothing more I can do, Mr. Holmes.
Dr. Maltby, our family doctor.
셜록은 몰트비를 찾아가 비어트리스의 시신에 대해 물어보지만
I can't tell you.
I do appreciate it's difficult to recall.
No, it's not quite that. I can't tell you because I wasn't there. I believe the doctor was duly summoned for from Oxford, I think.
선택의 여지가 없던 셜록은 다시 코델리아를 찾아가고
I have to ask you something. I'm afraid it's rather morbid.
Go on.
That night, did you see her?
Yes, of course, darling. Nathan brought her up from the river.
He wasn't supporting you. He was stopping you from getting too close.
Darling, are you all right? What are you talking about?
After he brought her inside, did you see her?
I saw her lying on her bed in her bedroom.
No, she was covered by a sheet before she was put in her coffin. Did you ever see her body?
I was in a terrible state, and your father had given me something to help me sleep, so I can't remember.
그때 코델리아의 약을 들고 들어온 사일러스.
Time for your medication, my love.
I'll do it, father.
Very well.
셜록의 눈빛이 흔들립니다. 사일러스가 건넨 것은 몰트비의 노란색 약이 아니었기 때문인데
Don't keep your mother up talking.
What is it, darling?
Nothing. Never mind.
더는 지체할 수 없던 셜록은 모든 의문의 해답이 잠들어 있을 동생의 무덤으로 향합니다.
Did you take your medication?
I don't think Sherlock gave it to me. I sort of nodded off, darling.
Oh.
Silas.
Yes, my love?
What did you say to her?
It's all right, my love. I don't really remember. Why?
Sherlock asked me.
Sherlock.
Sherlock!
That's not my sister. My sister had a broken arm. That arm's not broken.
Go upstairs. Find my mother.
제임스를 보낸 셜록은 곧바로 사일러스에게 향합니다.
It's for my own protection.
Your protection?
Oh, Sherlock, for God's sake.
It's not her in the grave. It's not her body. That arm's not broken.
You're misremembering.
It was in a sling. It was in a sling. I remember that.
She had sprained her arm falling from a tree. No wonder you blocked it from your memory.
I know about your failed businesses and how your fortunes changed when Mother was sent away.
You know why my business went under? Because I was here looking after your mother. After she went away, I buried myself in work, and so my fortune's improved.
Only 2 people saw the body. Only you and the groundskeeper.
Oh, I can't believe we're even having
A
this conversation.
doctor who didn't even know what Beatrice looked like.
It was your mother's idea! She was an old friend of his. He was an old friend of her.
날카롭던 셜록의 의심은 그 정교한 논리 앞에 서서히 무너져 내립니다.
Imagination can be a curse. I'm sorry.
You stay away from him! That's a lie about the doctor.
You just need to calm down.
Oh, do we?
사일러스는 그 길로 어둠 속으로 몸을 숨겨 도주합니다.
Most mysterious. Most mysterious.
And you're telling me that we don't know how? What is this?
That's the contents of his airway. The sort of thing that you would expect in a drowning.
Except he didn't drown. I was there. It was on dry land. Would you excuse us for a moment, please?
Yes, certainly, young man.
Thank you so much. Do you know what he was working on?
It was something for the government. Most secretive.
They were working together, is that right?
Yes. Although he never shared any of the details with me.
그 순간 마이크로프트에게 전보 한 장을 내미는 레스트라드.
I have been summoned.
그를 소환한 건 외무장관이었죠.
Mr. Holmes, your handling of this whole thing has been nothing short of appalling. Yes, you're done here, sir. Your career with Her Majesty's government is at an end.
They would have got a body from the hospital or the poorhouse.
Do you think she might still be alive?
I don't know.
But it is a possibility.
Where are you going?
To find her.
We think it was the groundskeeper who actually took Beatrice.
Father paid off his debts just after Beatrice disappeared.
Did he have a cart or a trap?
Yes, he had a cart for his deliveries.
So Nathan renders her unconscious and hides her in the cart.
Nathan did deliveries.
Game.
Do you remember where he'd make these deliveries to?
The game book.
Nathan Burford makes a delivery the day after Beatrice supposedly dies. Delivered to an address in Highgate, where no one would know her.
세 사람은 곧바로 장부에 적힌 주소로 향합니다.
We're looking for a young girl. We have reason to believe that she was brought here about 12 years ago. This is her.
사진을 확인하자 안색이 급변한 여자는 서둘러 집 안으로 들어가는데
I would ask you to stop pestering me.
Her name is Beatrice. I'm her mother. Tell me anything you know. Anything at all.
아이를 가질 수 없던 자신에게 관리인이 맡긴 그 아이는 축복이었다며 고백하는 여자.
He said he was from the orphanage.
It's been a terrible accident. A fire in the house.
Gave her all the love I had.
You said gave. She's not here, is she?
Yes, she left us. When she was 14, we woke up one morning, she'd written a note thanking us and saying that she didn't want us looking for her.
비어트리스의 방을 살펴보던 셜록은 침대 밑에서 무엇인가 찾아냅니다.
We'd get her those on her birthday, a different one every year. They were sent.
Do forgive me. Steel pin, only one place in London makes these. Annual commission. Beatrice was sent a butterfly every year on her birthday.
And paid for by Silas.
No name, but they gave me an address. Bedford Row, Holborn, please, sir.
마이크로프트는 자신과 마찬가지로 퇴출 위기에 처한 레스트라드를 찾아가는데
Constable, it is a safe bet, is it not, to assume that Professor Malik killed Sir Bucephalus Hogg? Well then, is it also a safe bet to say that if we were to apprehend Professor Malik, we could also rescue both of our careers?
I'm listening.
When we were at the police station in Oxford, you mentioned Professor Malik having a file.
I'll get my coat.
경찰서에 도착한 두 사람은 말리크의 파일을 살펴봅니다.
It's empty. Someone trying to protect him, you think?
Look at this. The ink was wet when the document was put into the file. Like so. The first is undoubtedly Malik's. The second is harder to read. Looks like Alvy Gordon, Shelbourne Hotel, Bayswater, London.
This is the address for Alvy Gordon, Esquire?
고든을 찾아가 말리크의 행방에 관해 묻자
Perhaps this is best discussed in my office. What's all this about?
I couldn't possibly trouble you for a glass of water, could I?
Wait here.
Thank you so much.
영수증은 여행 가이드 책을 구입한 내역이었고
I thought I might take a holiday.
This receipt mentions that you paid to have it gift wrapped. Traveling with someone, are we?
What exactly is your relationship with the professor? We have the arrest report, Mr. Gordon. Someone tried to suppress it, but recently it came into our possession. But many in my profession may hold a different view entirely. Fortunately for you, I'm able to ensure the arrest report remains hidden, as I'm sure you would prefer.
Yes.
So tell me, where is Professor Malik?
Paris.
I won't be able to come with you to Paris.
Yes, if I do,
When you do.
I will be sure to let your superiors know quite how invaluable you were.
한편 말리크를 쫓는 건 이 둘뿐만이 아니었는데
他是我们找到 Malik 的唯一线索了。
가짜 슈아는 동료와 함께 에사드의 뒤를 밟고 슈아는 멀어져가는 에사드의 뒷모습 대신 피 흘리는 동료의 손을 잡는 쪽을 택합니다.
我去找人来帮忙。
没时间了，
他已经跑了。
我知道他会去哪儿，我从那口袋里摸出来的。去能终结疫病，为了你的爹娘，你一定要找到他。我打一。
한편 셜록 일행은 비어트리스에게 선물을 보냈다는 주소에 도착합니다.
Thank you.
셜록은 잠겨있는 문을 머리핀으로 몰래 열고 안에 들어선 세 사람은 단서를 찾기 시작합니다.
Sherlock, look, this is Beatrice. I mean, she's older, but
그때 불이 켜진 건물을 발견한 한 남자.
Father's name.
that's definitely his signature.
Styles, I don't understand. Why would he hide that from us?
We should hurry. James?
Yes, yes. Silas's travel itinerary. Brussels, Bordeaux, London to Monaco, Amsterdam to Madrid. There's a name here. Therese.
All of those journeys were made by train.
사일러스가 여행한 곳을 줄로 이어보자.
All of those journeys intersect the same place. Paris.
Therese is the name of a hotel in Paris, in Rue Sainte-Anne.
Right. Time to skedaddle.
Yes, sir. Come on.
Good catch, son.
Oh, goodness.
They're not policemen. Police don't wear brown boots.
경찰복을 입은 남자들은 셜록 일행을 끈질기게 따라붙었고 돛대를 몰아 추격자들의 앞길을 완전히 차단하고 무사히 현장을 빠져나간 일행.
Well,
To Paris?
파리는 혁명이 진행 중이었고
English?
yes, yes, we're English.
Then get over it.
다행히 전투를 뚫고 테레즈 호텔에 도착합니다.
Désolé, madame, monsieur Holmes n'est pas ici en ce moment.
Pourriez-vous avoir l'obligeance de me dire où je pourrais le trouver?
Un homme doit en son jardin secret, madame.
호텔 직원이 말을 해주지 않자 벨보이에게 팁을 건네는 셜록.
Où partait-il?
Aucune idée. Il n'a pas pris de calèche?
Alors, il ne peut pas aller bien loin. Quelle direction?
Sébastopol.
Qui porte-t-il?
Peu de forme. Cap.
Qui est-il dans cette direction à pied pour qu'un homme se mette sur son 31?
셜록 일행이 사일러스를 찾아 근처의 유흥주점을 둘러보던 그때
Mycroft. Sherlock?
그렇게 마이크로프트까지 일행에 합류하고
What are you doing here? Following him. Malik. What are you all doing here?
We've been following Him. Father. It appears those two girls know each other.
Anybody care to enlighten me as to what the hell is going on?
We think Beatrice might still be alive.
And Silas knows where she is. Darling, he's on the move.
사일러스와 말리크가 외부인 접근이 차단된 은밀한 곳으로 들어간 걸 본 코델리아는
Madame.
Est-ce que vous allez bien, madame?
Je vous en prie, laissez-moi vous aider, madame.
셜록과 제임스가 경비의 눈을 피해 그 뒤를 쫓습니다.
Well, no one just vanishes.
This one looks rather young.
비밀 통로로 내려가자 멀리서 들려오는 사일러스의 목소리.
How do you take back control of your city? What I am offering you here today, gentlemen, Professor Malik here has developed will change the face of modern warfare.
사일러스는 프랑스 지도층에게 무기를 판매하려는 것 같은데
Odorless, colorless, silent, deadly. This nerve agent is unlike anything the modern world has seen before.
Killing butterflies is hardly our mission.
Bring out the deplorable. You see, what I have here, in the right concentrations, will work on a barricade, a neighborhood, or even an entire city. For those of you who wish to place an order, it's only fitting that we should meet at the famous two corners where you can contact Mr. Essad Kashgali.
그곳엔 더 이상 기억 속에 자상한 아버지가 아닌 야욕을 품은 괴물이 서 있었습니다.
Et voilà.
신경제가 퍼져나오자 사람들이 하나둘 중심을 잃고 쓰러지기 시작하고
Sherlock! Don't!
It's not your fault, Sherlock.
John! Here, let's get you up. No, Shuan. She tried to shoot my father. We have to stop her.
I'm not leaving you down here.
Sherlock! I'm sorry to be a burden, brother dear.
No burden, brother. If she gets to my father, we may never find Beatrice.
Go. Oh, James, go!
제임스는 사일러스와 슈안의 뒤를 쫓기 시작하고 마이크로프트는 셜록을 부축해 외부로 발걸음을 재촉합니다.
He's been shot. This way.
Why? How do you know?
It's where the gunfire is coming from.
What are you doing?
Stopping you from shooting that man. Why? Because that's Sherlock's father.
I didn't know.
Easy. I'll be taken there. Right, put him down.
How is he?
His brother's looking after him.
Right, in the back.
Where are we going?
I'm afraid we're gonna have to go the long way round, brother.
Is Sherlock looking for his father?
Yes.
Where are you going?
To find Sherlock. There's only one hospital still open in Paris. That's where my crotch will take him.
Hey, ne fais pas ça! Ne fais pas ça!
There'll be more of them.
병원에 도착하자마자 셜록은 수술실로 이송됩니다.
Comment va-t-il?
C'est lui de se battre maintenant.
Merci pour tout, monsieur.
얼마 뒤 깨어나는 셜록.
My darling boy.
Ah, he's too stubborn to die.
James, where on earth have you been? Are you all right?
I'm fine.
Did you stop her?
And I brought her here.
Hello, Sherlock.
Inch to the left, my brother would be dead.
I wasn't aiming at him. I was aiming at your father.
Ah, well, that is understandable.
Because I think you need to hear what she has to say.
My name is Xiaowei. I come from the village of Tai'an in Gansu. What you saw in that tunnel? They first tested on my village. On my parents. There's a mineral deep beneath my people's lands. Professor Malik found a way to transform that mineral into a creeping death. And turn it into a weapon. The program was paid for by your government and run by Bucephalus Hodge. But Professor Malik betrayed him. Sold it to the highest bidder, a private buyer. I propose we combine our talents.
But on one condition. We have to find out where Beatrice is from Silas. So you cannot touch him until we have that information.
And after that?
Oh, well, after that you can do whatever you like to him.
Death so readily. That's what it takes.
He's still in Paris. Or at least the man who works for him is.
Where you can contact Mr. Esad Kashgali.
The demonstration, the buyers were told to follow the usual channels at the two corners.
For those of you who wish to place an order, it's only fitting that we should meet at the famous two corners.
Matchboxes with a design on the front of two corners.
This is as good a place as any to start.
그렇게 제임스와 샤오가 유흥주점으로 향하고 성냥갑을 찾았지만 주소가 써있지는 않았죠.
Napoléon Bonaparte.
Napoleon's hat.
L'Aigle et l'Olive.
What?
It's a restaurant where Napoleon supposedly left his hat behind him. The Eagle and the Olive on the outskirts of Paris.
Where are you going? I need to get a message to London and warn them that father has the weapon.
No sign of his head.
잠시 뒤 식당에 에사드가 모습을 드러냅니다.
Esad Kashgali has a regular table at a brasserie called the Eagle and the Olive.
Where he meets his potential customers.
And tomorrow he is meeting a man called the Duke d'Aumont.
By posing as customers.
Bonjour.
Sorry, madam. It's occupied. I'm expecting someone.
Madame Dormont.
위장한 코델리아가 에사드의 시선을 묶어두는 사이 제임스는 웨이터의 의복을 탈취하고
Actual buyer will be redirected by the Eagle and Olive's newest waiter to me. I'll give him the sales pitch. Then the Duke will duly hand over his money, which James will deliver to my mother, allowing us to finance stage 2 of the operation. You will ask to meet the bigwig himself.
Excuse me, madam.
그렇게 순조롭게 진행되나 싶었는데
So, my instructions were to hand the money only to Mr. Kashgali himself.
If that is your instinct, you will have to come back another day, understood?
Then I shall take your advice.
It'd be remiss of me not to inform you that the incident in the tunnels has only in fact proven the potency of our product. We're selling out fast.
Have a good day, sir.
눈치 빠른 샤오가 가방 안에 돈을 화분으로 바꿔치기 하고
C'est à vous.
Abruti. Désolé.
빼돌린 돈은 코델리아에게 전달됩니다.
You introduce me to your boss, and in return, I furnish you with a finder's fee.
Mr. Holmes is in the back.
계획은 어긋났지만 마침내 사일러스와 만남을 코앞에 둔 코델리아.
I do not see Monsieur Silas Holmes.
We both know you're not the Duke's wife.
Do you doubt my monies?
It looks real.
You are correct. I am not Madame Dormont.
This is taking too long.
I am working on behalf of a very prominent British investor who wishes to make a significant purchase from Mr. Silas Holmes. And if you play your part in arranging this, I can assure you that the money in that pot, purely for your own pockets, you understand, you can simply introduce me to Mr. Silas Holmes. He's sending a telegram to Silas.
셜록 일행은 에사드의 심부름꾼을 미행하고
Just let me try something. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Que puis-je pour vous?
Cet homme-ci était ici il y a quelques instants. Je veux voir ce qu'il a envoyé.
Votre pain.
Vous préférez que le règle soit autrement?
Mon garçon. Mrs. Holmes, your husband's in Constantinople.
그 무렵 파리의 영국 대사를 찾아간 마이크로프트.
I now know who sabotaged our government's secret weapons program. And indeed, I know who stole the weapon. Silas Holmes.
I shall wire the Foreign Secretary immediately.
Yes, sir.
Please wait here.
하지만 저녁이 되도록 대사는 돌아오지 않는데
Apologies for the wait.
Not at all, sir.
He informs me that you are in disgrace. There is, however, a path to redemption.
다음 날 콘스탄티노플행 기차를 기다리는 셜록 일행.
Mother, well, you met with success? The British government has offered her full support in helping to bring father to justice.
Right then. Constantinople.
콘스탄티노플에 도착한 샤오는 누군가를 불러냅니다.
This is Hermine. She has agreed to help us. Sherlock. Show her the photo.
사진을 본 에미네는 누군가에게 신호를 보내는데
That small child is going to find our father, is he?
They can go anywhere. They are invisible.
사진은 여러 아이들의 손에서 손으로 전달되더니
Sir, they are looking for you.
They have found your father. He knows you're here with me.
How?
It seems our street telegraph works both ways. He wants to see you. Alone. He was quite specific. If you want to see your sister, you come alone.
셜록은 홀로 사일러스를 만나러 갑니다.
Solving all this, finding me here, so clever.
Not natural for a father to leave his boy for dead now, is it?
I ran because that crazy woman was trying to kill me.
You've done nothing but harm. You broke my mother's heart. So I ask you politely, please tell me, is my sister still alive?
Beatrice is fine.
Where is she?
She's here, in Constantinople, with me. You can see her tomorrow if you like, but I request something in return.
So that's his price. Shuan.
Bring Shuan tomorrow, the square, same time, and I'll give you your sister.
No, I don't find it easy, but if it was my sister, then I wouldn't have the slightest breath of hesitation.
Am I interrupting?
Not at all.
제임스가 샤오에게 자리를 비켜줍니다.
That your journey ends well. That you'll see your sister. Afterwards, your father is mine to do with as I see fit.
And you shall have it. You have my word.
다음 날 사일러스와 약속한 장소로 향하는 셜록 일행.
I think just me and mother from here.
셜록은 사일러스를 독대합니다.
I can't see my sister.
She doesn't exactly look ready to surrender, Shirley.
She just doesn't know it yet.
What are they talking about?
You, I expect.
So, where's my sister?
Your move, my boy.
Move.
하지만 뭔가 이상함을 느끼는 코델리아.
Let me see your face. Sherlock! What's the matter, Mother?
It's not Beatrice.
How about him, Princess?
Thank you, James.
소란을 틈타 샤오가 도망치고
Find her! You! I knew you'd betray me, Sherlock. You're not my son, after all.
Hello, Mother.
B?
옥스퍼드에서 만났던 호주의 비서, 그녀가 바로 비어트리스였던 것인데
Raise your hands. Isn't this nice?
Don't worry, my love. I think I saw some duck eggs over there by the tree.
Fire at the house. So you're going to stay with Mrs. Tilcott for a while?
사일러스는 사업 자금을 마련하기 위해 가족들의 눈을 속이고 비어트리스를 멀리 보냈습니다.
Same thing I get every year. Where do they come from? Who sent it?
똑똑했던 비어트리스는 선물들에 담긴 단서들을 조합해 발신인의 거처를 직접 찾아내고야 말았죠.
I know you. Why did you get rid of me?
Your mother wasn't well, and I didn't think I could look after you alone. You can stay with me tonight.
And then I was never meant to be a vicar's daughter. Look, Mother, I found its heart. I'd rather be something in your world.
The packages will be transported across Europe. We need to find a place no one will think to look. Şeytanın bile aklına gelmeyecek.
And you'll never guess who he's working for. Sir Bucephalus Hodge. You know what I smell?
Opportunity.
그렇게 호주의 비서로 취업한 비어트리스는 그의 연구와 사업에 대해 알아냈고
Professor Malik is the weak link. He's greedy and vain.
Professor Malik, I look forward to doing business with you.
And I, you, sir.
잡혀온 셜록 일행에게 비어트리스가 찾아옵니다.
I know what you did. What? I know that you were put in the asylum because you were a danger to me. And that's why Father had to take me away.
I see, so that's what he told you.
Remember what I told you? Your mother has a vivid imagination.
He had our mother committed to an asylum because he wanted to gain control of her estate.
He told me you would say this.
비어트리스는 자신이 가족에게서 떨어져야 했던 것이 엄마 때문이라고 생각해 원망하고 있었습니다.
Dinner date.
How long do you intend on keeping us here?
Until you have told me where I can find Shuan. Once I have Shuan, you are free to leave.
Is Beatrice free to leave too, should she wish to?
She is not a prisoner.
Behind the mosque on Ordu Chadesi. That's where Shuan is staying.
B, I have never hurt you. Not once. Please, let me talk to you. without your father present, so that should you choose, you could leave.
Is that what you wish for?
I do not.
You do this! You do this! You bend and you twist me!
Arguing.
Family squabbles, eh, James?
But this is not a squabble. This is a Greek tragedy.
Something on your mind?
I've had contact with Her Majesty's government. They want their weapon back.
Yes, I imagine they do.
And they are willing to pay for it.
Mr. Holmes, we want you to persuade your father to sell the weapon exclusively to the British government.
I think you could name your price. There is one stipulation. They are to be the sole buyer.
If you want your career back, sir, that is precisely what we expect you to do.
Gruff, you cute whore.
You complete and utter Judas. They want the weapon within 1 week or no deal.
B.
We can do that.
Well, it appears Beatrice and I have to pay a visit to our little factory. You will stay here until Shuan is found.
사일러스의 부하들이 곧 셜록이 말한 주소에 도착합니다.
You've proved yourself quite brilliant, my boy. Minds like yours change the world. You're the one I'd really like to join me.
사일러스는 똑똑한 셜록을 설득하려고 하는데
You look at the world and see nothing but yourself.
And it's survival of the fittest. Now, this is your moment. Seize it. Be my right hand. Be my successor. Be my heir.
Is that not why you have Beatrice?
You are an entirely different proposition.
If you can get her to leave, I'll stay.
I'll talk to her. Excuse me.
Shuan was not at the address he gave.
한편 제임스를 찾아간 비어트리스.
I found this diverting little read on the shelves.
Machiavelli. Since love and fear can hardly exist together.
It's far safer to be feared than loved.
You admire him, don't you? My father.
You have to admire the scale of the man's ambition.
Ethics don't trouble you. Doesn't it irritate you? Being in Sherlock's shadow.
다음 날 아침 떠날 준비를 하고 있는 사일러스와 비어트리스.
Shuan was not where you told me she would be, Shirley.
Did you check under the bed?
No. Mycroft, assure Her Majesty's government that they will have their weapons
By the weekend.
Escort him to the telegraph office and bring him right back.
You spoken with Beatrice?
Not until I have Shuan.
사일러스와 비어트리스는 신경작용제를 만드는 공장으로 떠나고 전보국에 도착한 마이크로프트는
Do you mind sharpening this for me? Thank you. Turn around. Open the door. In you pop.
그렇게 감시를 따돌리고 마이크로프트가 향한 곳은
Princess,
You do know I'm not a princess.
I could use your help.
얼마 뒤 경비원들의 수를 세던 셜록의 눈에 마이크로프트가 보이고
Yes. Hello? Excuse me. If you don't open these gates instantly, he will have your heads on plates by the end of the day. No? Keys, please.
Think it's best if I take that?
Sorry.
마이크로프트가 들어오자 쏟아지기 시작하는 총탄.
Ceasefire! Jesus, I feel alive.
I'm sorry that I ever doubted.
Very well played.
Likewise.
경비원들을 모두 처리했지만 공장 위치를 모르는 상황.
Looks like some sort of coastal map.
Doesn't even have North marked on it.
Right.
The floor.
The tiles are worn.
By frequent footfall.
Under the wall.
And why would there be worn tiles on the floor by the wall?
Unless... Just a thought. I do love a secret passage.
그 안에 들어가 보자.
Sorpium. He sets up a trading network with textiles.
And then uses them for smuggling.
And now he uses the same routes to smuggle the nerve agent.
그곳에는 죽은 교수들의 연구 논문들도 있었고
They're building rockets. Rockets to deliver the nerve agent.
Professor Malik. Thundertide.
The mineral beneath my people's lands.
And this? This is his equation for turning it into the creeping death.
Remember when we met?
Yes.
Don't worry about that. These solutions, they're not real. They're imaginary. There's always another solution to every equation.
Positive to mirror
The negative.
and thus create a compound to neutralize the threat of creeping death. In theory, we can defeat Silas. We have a problem?
This equation is not finished.
Come and have a look at this. All of these lines lead to the heart of a circle.
Afshin.
Can you get us here?
Yes, it's about a day's ride. I know a route. It'll take us through the mountains.
I need you to tell me something. Was she really affecting me? Mother.
Are you going to tell Sherlock you entertained his best friend last night? Of course you won't. Why? Because we act on our desires, Beatrice.
곧 공장에 도착한 사일러스와 비어트리스.
We're not just going to sell to the British, are we?
The Prussians, the Russians, the Chinese, whoever will take it.
Why stop at governments? Why not sell to private individuals, to companies?
My wonderful bee.
얼마 뒤 셜록 일행도 이들을 쫓아 공장에 도착했고
Shall we go and have a gander?
That's all well and good, James, but how do we get in?
Wait,
Looks like some sort of coastal map.
doesn't even have north marked on it. The map in Silas' study, the outline of these mountains, they match. It's a cross-sectional plan.
Those weren't roads. They were tunnels.
There's a second entrance.
There's Malik. I'm going after him.
Wait.
I'll go with them. Take care.
샤오가 말리크를 쫓는 동안 사일러스 뒤를 밟아 안으로 들어온 셜록.
Hello, Beatrice.
Of course you found me, B. I don't know where to begin. All the time that I was locked in the asylum, all those years, the one thing that kept me going was my memories with you. Do you remember the magpie? The magpie with the broken wing that we found in the forest?
비어트리스의 기억이 조금씩 돌아오고
I remember. I believe you. Oh, my love. Will you come with us? I will, but there's something I need to do first.
경비들을 처리한 샤오가 마침내 말리크를 찾아냅니다.
In my village, when someone is murdered, we believe their souls are trapped in Lianyu, an abyss.
I'm a humble scientist.
Till their deaths are avenged, when they shall be set free.
No!
아들, 아니야. 今日便是你们安息之日.
샤오가 부모님과 마을 사람들의 복수를 완성하고
We bury this place. This is enough to bring down the mountain.
제임스는 자료를 열심히 뒤져보지만
James, what are you doing?
I'll be right with you.
Father!
Yes, Beatrice.
Look what I found.
Seems you picked up some strays.
I heard him, Sherlock. In the garden.
Be my right hand. Be my successor. Be my heir.
I gave you everything.
I don't want to be his heir.
Beatrice, I'd never betray you.
Light it up! James, now, move!
폭발과 함께 동굴이 무너지기 시작합니다.
We need to leave! Now!
세 사람은 달아나는 사일러스를 쫓기 시작합니다.
Is there anything you need to say?
No.
Sherlock, are you going to stand there and watch them shoot a defenseless man?
그 말을 듣자 아버지에게 다가가는 셜록.
You made a promise.
He answers for his crimes and he faces justice.
If I have no compunction shooting my own father, you think I won't shoot you too?
갑자기 셜록을 끌어안은 사일러스는 절벽으로 향하고
I always knew you loved me, my boy. Don't.
사일러스는 셜록의 눈앞에서 절벽으로 몸을 던집니다. 사일러스의 집무실로 돌아와 유일하게 남긴 손수건을 살펴보는 셜록.
Like a honeycomb. He wanted me to have this. Why?
And it's survival of the fittest.
He was leaving me a trail. Enough. It's survival of the fittest, the most radical original thought of them all. We are not above nature.
Sherlock!
Darwin.
Close the book, Sherlock. It's over.
집무실에서 나온 셜록은 샤오를 고향으로 보내줍니다.
Thank you, Sherlock Holmes. I do hope you find a way to put that beautiful mind of yours to good use.
Perfect match.
한편 몰래 만나고 있는 제임스와 비어트리스.
I have something to show you. Intrigued? I think we'd work well together. Okay, Sherlock's here. Don't turn around. Out the back. See you tonight.
Yes.
Thought I'd find you here.
Thought right. 2 whiskeys, please.
Do you regret losing your scholarship at Oxford?
Do I regret meeting you? No, I have no regrets. In fact, I feel as though I should thank you for saving me from a life of sheer boredom.
You are most welcome.
What?
I know you have it. The remainder to Malik's equation. I know you have it.
Yes, you know I took it, and you know why I took it. I took it for us. If that weapon ever rises out of the ashes, then we have the means to defeat it. What's that?
It's nothing.
그렇게 영셜록 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 19살, 아직은 거칠고 위태로운 천재소년의 탄생, 아마존 프라임의 야심작 영셜록 첫 번째 시즌이었습니다. 정통 추리물의 차분한 전개를 선호하는 분들에게는 가이 리치 감독 특유의 화려하고 빠른 편집 스타일, 화면 전환이 다소 과하게 느껴질 수 있고 초반 서사가 조금 산만하게 다가올 수 있습니다. 하지만 이 시리즈의 진정한 매력은 셜록 홈즈라는 고전을 현대적이고 감각적인 액션 어드벤처로 완벽히 비틀었다는 점에 있습니다. 옥스퍼드 대학 시절에 셜록이 겪는 첫 번째 살인사건과 그 속에 감춰진 거대한 음모는 기존 팬들조차 예측하지 못한 신선한 재미를 선사합니다. 전설적인 탐정의 풋풋하지만 강렬한 첫 항해, 스타일리시한 추리 액션을 갈망하는 분들께 영 셜록 추천드리며 영상 마치겠습니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다. 감사합니다.